Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox this vintage Maisto BMW Z8. I bought these at the toy show a few weeks ago and we will unbox it. This is actually a premiere edition by Maisto. They don't produce this Maisto editions anymore. As you can see in the box, it's very old, and it says there's a French, I don't know what that means, and there's a price here, $28.93. That time is pretty expensive, but now $28 is cheap. But I got these for $30. It's supposed to be, he says, the guy says 50, but he gave it to me for 30. And I already have a Z4, and I figured I might get a Z8 because I think I have a Z8 smaller one. One is to 24th. I don't know where it is, but if I find it, I'll show it to you guys. So let's open this one. Actually, it's still sealed. So the guy never opened this one. So the box says like these. All the specs are here: opening doors, opening hood, opening trunk, adjustable front wheels, workable steering, independent spring suspension for wheels. Well, what can I say? So this is I don't know what year, but it says 2000. Well, I don't know what is the exact year they released this model, but let's open it. Before it was like they making it like this so you can stack it nice if you have plenty of these kind of box and casing. Yeah, so it goes stackable like this, but now they don't do it like this anymore. I don't know why. Here you are, guys. See, it still has the strappings on it. You might need to remove it. And okay, let's remove it from the base. I like these. Here you go. So let's remove these. Everything is new. Oh my god. Ta-da. So let's start on the base plastic. Oh, the wheels are a little bit wobbly. Interior. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. Doors. Opens. I'm surprised if this is a 10-year-old or 20 years old. The paint on this one is superb. There's no chipping, no blemishes. Only my fingerprints are here. License plate is still white. It's supposed to be, sometimes it becomes yellow. So, but on this one, wow. Let's see what's inside the trunk. Oh, there you are. Nothing. Nothing there. Let's see the hood. Yes. Just black engine. Nice. So I like this one. I like this BMW Z8. Let me get the 1:24 if I find it. Where is that? So I custom painted this one because I got these in a garage sale long time ago. It's not in a good conditions in terms of paint It's pretty beat up. As you can see, the windshield is cracked, so I decided to repaint it, and I came up with a blue color, which is nice. So yeah, with a blue accent interior. I put a custom plate on it, Philippines license plate. Yeah. So Z8. Let's see the engine. Yep. Same engine, of course. Yeah. So here is size comparison. 1/24, 1/18. So it's a pretty small car, especially the 1:1. They're small and agile, and back in the days these cars are spectacular, but I don't think so they produce anymore. The Z series, even the Z4, they stopped it long time ago. So as you can see guys, this is the only thing we can get on this one, small scale. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys like it, please hit the like button. If you guys love it, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.